This is a what in the box for Aeons End Buried Secrets, an expansion to Aeons End. I had a request for this on the channel and some comments, so I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys what's in this expansion. Keep in mind, I think this expansion's only available from the Kickstarter at this time, so if you didn't order the Kickstarter, I don't think you can get it until later this year in retail. And I can say it feels like it may be one of the biggest expansions in the game. It doesn't look like it includes any actual new nemesis, which is, I think, every other one has. So it does have these pulse tokens and silence tokens, some additional ones, and shield tokens. So the cards, make use of that. And then, let's see here, it looks like it has some changes to the turn order deck. So let's see what's in here. So there's Nerve Jab, Precision Shot, Psychic Eruption, Stunning Force, randomizers for all the different spells. Wow, that's a lot of spells. Big stack randomizers. I'm not going to go over them, but there's a bunch of new basic nemesis cards. And then a new turn order card for Blitz, which is basically you reserve the main phase once and then you resolve the nemesis phase again. This is for probably when you're playing like two players if you need to increase the difficulty even further beyond the normal difficulty increase. So that's the first pack of cards, which is a lot. And then I think these are probably the rest of the spell cards that came in the expansion. Let's see. Man, I guess I should have opened this stuff first. Some of these Aeons End packs, they're supposed to have like a little tab you pull, but it's not always easy to pull off. So, okay, so we have Vodium Strike, a gem, Bottled Star. Oh, that's a interesting relic. Gain 3 charges, so that can give you some new strategies. Although one thing I found with Aeons End is getting to that is Living Gauntlet. Getting to 7 cost cards can be really difficult. Manifold Container, Scholar's Opus, Soul Cards, and the art from this is all the characters in Aeons End Legacy. So all the art comes from that. Blade of Wisdom, Burning Current, Double Tap. That's actually not that bad because you get 2 damage, but it's 1 damage each, so you can spread it around. Draining Touch. That's pretty good. Gain a charge for 2 cost and deal a damage. And Flash of Intellect. Let me see where I can put that. So you can look at those while I'm opening the next pack. So it's still going. There's still more stuff here. There's definitely a lot of content for new spells and relics, and it looks like the next one has gems. So let's see. So we have Jolting Crust, which lets you gain basically new ways to gain charges. I feel like you can Midnight Chunk. That's really good. Gain 3 for 5 cost. A lot of the gain 3s are 6 cost. That one's pretty... Oh, you can silence a minion if you gain that one, which I think is a new thing in the expansion here. Gain 3 or more cards in hand, cost 0, gain additional 2. That can be good. Gain 4, but it can't be used to gain a card. That may be less useful. I mean, I guess it's good for charges and stuff. You can gain 3 or gain 2 or gain another summon. I don't know. This one's good. Gain 3 that can only be used to gain cards, so it lets you speed up your card gains early in the game. This one's pretty good too. Discard a card, gain a charge for all your allies. So there you have it. That is Buried Secrets from Aeon's End. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe and take a look at the other videos.